we just like tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up, we ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day, my beautiful squad. Today is the day for V-Day. Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. Oh, I've been singing love songs all morning long, and I am so ready to do this beautiful eye makeup tutorial for y'all. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a Valentine's Day giveaway. I will leave that in the description box below. Please make sure that you click on it and put in what your sign is underneath that video. No other video, but that video. I would love to know your signs. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you this. I don't fast forward through my tutorials. I tell you guys step by step what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, because I try to make easy tutorials for you guys. So I would stand up and show you guys my look right now, but I'm just gonna quickly tell you, I have this adorable pink sweater. I showed you guys this on the Walmart haul. It's white, pink, and black. I kind of wish it was gray because my boots are gray that I have on. I have a black tank top underneath, this gold necklace that Sweetie Prince got me, these earrings that say love, and I threw these cat ears on because I was like, oh my god, they match perfectly with the outfit. And I have on some black leggings. So I am so ready to get this V-Day started, baby. All that's missing is some eye makeup. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be reviewing the Marielle, which is Mar, a YouTuber I absolutely love and adore. She's amazing. She's been on YouTube forever. So awesome. And we're going to be doing a eyeshadow Valentine's Day look with this. Never did this palette before, never used it, but I see some great colors and I really think we can get a good look with it. Now, you guys also asked me to incorporate red glitter. I will try. I can't make promises, but I will try my best because I might be able to put this out honestly on my lips, or maybe the side of my, we'll see, because I have pink on today. I don't have no red. Let me roll up my sleeves and let's get in. So obviously I want to start off with a transition color. So we're going to start off with Señorita. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every kiss is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming back home. Yes, I am in such a good mood, as you guys can tell. So I don't really do Too Faced that much, but wow. Holy cow, Toledo's. That is pigmented. Have I been sleeping on Too Faced? Oh my. A lot of fallout. I mean, a lot of kickback, but that's okay. So I'm just taking my Morphe. This is my favorite brush in the whole wide world, if you guys did not know. I love this brush. I always try to order more and it's always sold out. This is the Morphe E17 brush and it is amazing. Like, no lies to it. It is amazing. So we're just gonna make sure it's all blended in. And now I have no idea what's the next color we're gonna use. Let me see if I zoom you guys in. Zoom. Okay. So let's go in with, should we want to do Slice? Slice is like this orangey kind of color. It would bring a good transition in, but let's do Santa Monica. Let's do Santa Monica right here. This light sparkle, because you guys know I love a good sparkle in my crease. And let's just put it over Señorita. Guys, I can't wait to the day I have my own palette. You know, like when you see a YouTuber coming out with an eyeshadow palette, especially collabing with a big brand like this, like those are what dreams are made of. Okay, I really want to play with Amorcito. I really want to. That's that vibrant pink right there. But I'm scared. But I really want to play with it. So let's do it. It's Valentine's Day. So let's go in with this brush. And let's get in Amorcito. Oh, it's so pretty. feel a little fallout. But I mean, is any palette perfect? No, there's no palette that's perfect. Now I'm trying to do a very simple look so you guys can kind of tell. Now I have been wiping the brush down here on a color changer. So just so you know, obviously I'm not just going did it. I'm obviously, you know, changing the color. Okay, so that wasn't as vibrant as I thought it was gonna be. So if you want to make it a little bit darker, you can. I am gonna go in with chili because I need like a nice little dark contrast, and I think this might be the color that we have under our eye. Now I'm just gonna dark dip in and bring over because I'm trying to make that outer corner bright. So we're taking again chili, the spicy, salty, sparkly one, push in and dip over. You guys see how I did that? Ta-da! Dip it and push over. Okay. Oh my God, guys, I just have to say this. I saw a person comment or something. Oh, it was like a week ago or something. They said, I don't think she does her own makeup. And I was like, I don't. And they're like, yeah, she probably has someone doing her makeup for her. And then and I'm like, yes, I have a wizard behind a curtain and he does my makeup for me in the morning. That's what happens. Or I am a professional. I am a celebrity and somebody does my makeup. I'm Trish Paytas. Someone does my makeup. No, I'm just playing. But I just thought that was funny. But no, I do my own makeup. I wish I had someone do my makeup someday. Okay, so we're going to go in with hot and spicy on the outer corner. And as you guys know, I have to wet the brush. Get it nice and wet. And we're using the Luxie 239 Precision Brush. Always have a flat header. Oh, did y'all see that? This brush is definitely wet because it's, yeah, okay. So let's go on in with hot and spicy. Oh my, that brush is really wet. And we're just gonna go into the outer corner here. Ooh, honey. I think I've been sleeping on Too Faced. Not even kidding, this is so pretty. Okay, ooh, little chalky. Little chalky, little chalky. Let me try to just dab it in. Okay, let's go in with the next side. Okay. Guys, in the comments below, tell me, what are your plans? What is hubby's taking you? Where are boyfriend's taking you? Where are girlfriends taking y'all? Where are y'all going? Just remember, you don't have to have a boo for Valentine's. You don't have to have a babe. You can have a friend. You can have, Nala. Nala has her Valentine's Day gifts, and that's a puppy. Puppy love, honey. So just let me know in the comment section. Are you excited for Valentine's Day? Do you have plans? I need to know these things. Oh, so pretty. Also, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. So yesterday was one of my subscribers' Midnight's birthday. So happy belated, beautiful. We talked yesterday on my live. And today is Miss Stephanie Ford's birthday. So happy birthday, Stephanie. Yeah. And happy V-Day to all of y'all. Y'all, I'm in a good mood. I can't help it. Okay. That's as dark as I think I'm going to go because we're going to bring this underneath our eyes. This was a really simple eye look. Like, I'm not even kidding how simple that was. So, woo. Yeah, that should, oh, that should blend it really good. All right, let me take the blending brush and just blend this all in. I'm using, I know I got this from Boxy Luxe. This is the Lavish Taper Blending. I love this brush. Very pretty. I think I can incorporate the red, definitely. Okay, so on top of the lid, the only color I see possibly is Chanclata Sandal right here. But I don't know. You guys know I love my liquid eyeshadows. So I don't know. We're going to do Donut for the eyebrow bone. So let me find a eyebrow bone brush. Where's my skinny brushes for the eyebrow bone? Hopefully this will work. And Donut. And let's see. Very pretty. I love how that has glitter in it too. so pretty. Yeah, y'all hear Sweetie Prince in the background. He is cleaning the house for Mama Sweets for her Valentine's Day. Okay. Okay. Now let me just wet this a little because I want to get it in my inner corner. Definitely want to. I try not to make these tutorials too long. Oh, I need to go say happy Valentine's Day to some of my subscribers. Y'all all messaging me. I love you guys so much. Okay, so that didn't really work out. Let me go with chanclata on my inner corner. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, I'm in love with chanclata. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Yeah, I definitely need to somehow make this a little bit darker, like kind of pinker kind of. Otherwise, I feel like it's like a regular look I do with the red. So yeah, let me just go in with this pink real quick. This Amarcito. And let's see if we can make this a little bit more pinkier. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I wanted a more of a like a deeper pink. And let me know in the comments below how you're gonna do your eyes. You know what I mean? Do you guys have this palette? Let me know. That's what I was looking for. That perfectly. Okay. So I still have not decided what I'm gonna do on my eyelids. I think I'm gonna do, okay, because I could do white. Let's see what we have. You know what I mean? Like playing around in my liquid eyeshadow bag. Let's see. We have silver, but I have gold jewelry on. We have gold. That might, oh no, we have white. I don't know how this white's gonna look though, so I'm so scared to put this on. I probably should just stick with like pink sparkles or something. So this is just, oh my God, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Never been open to like, I'm scared how this is gonna look. We are definitely playing with fire here. Let's see. Oh no. I don't know. I kind of like it. I don't know. If I don't like it, you know, liquid eyeshadow is the easiest. I can just go ahead and just, you know. Uh-oh. Nala's being bad on B-Day. I don't know. I kind of like it, but I kind of don't like it. So I might end up just putting like pink glitter over it, but. For the meantime, it's cute. It's cute. All right, let me get a blending brush. Wipe over this. Any excess. All right, and now you guys want the red. Let's incorporate it. You guys asked, so let's try. Let's see what we're gonna work with. Can actually work with just what's on this lid right here. This is the BH Cosmetics glitter. Let's see. So what I did is I put it above the crease and now I'm just blending it up. Definitely glitter, okay? But let's see. Uh-oh. Nala got in trouble. This rain's been upsetting her lately and she's not been wanting to use the bathroom outside, so she's been using the bathroom inside, and that obviously upsets Daddy because, you know, he has to clean it up. Okay, this actually is not, it does not look bad, honestly. And remember, it's V-Day, so you're supposed to go all out anyways, so I don't care. I don't, honestly, you know me. I'll wear red eyeshadow on St. Patrick's Day. I don't care. Makeup to me has no rules, and that's how hopefully it should be for everybody else. So I really like it. I think, honestly, I wish I would have done this all over the lid. That would have been like bomb, but you know, it is what it is. I incorporated, I think, the best I could. It's like a little chunky right there, but it's okay. It's a lot chunky right there. What the frick? Blend in, blend in, blend up. So anyways, I think it came out really good. Let me know how you guys are going to do your eyeshadow, your makeup for today. Let me know your plans, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day, guys, and I love you. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.
Tonight, you know